She blocked you. Now what? She blocked you. Silence burns, but silence is where power returns. She blocked you because she felt your need. You chased. You tried to prove your worth to someone who already made her choice. When you chase, you shrink. When you pull back, you rise. Show her you've changed by becoming someone new. For yourself, not for her. Maybe she blocked you because she's addicted to you. The chemistry is chaos. She knows if she lets you in even for a second, the storm starts again. She blocks to protect herself from her own weakness. Don't fight that wall. Let it stand. The man she'll respect is the one strong enough to walk away. Or maybe she's gone. She's seeing someone else or searching for someone new. That's not your loss, it's your liberation. Every ending is a mirror. It shows you where you were small and where you must grow. Whatever the reason, your answer is the same. Detach, reflect, rebuild. You cannot convince her. You can only become undeniable. If you were needy, be still. If you were distant, learn warmth. If you were playful, show depth. If you were heavy, bring light. Every imbalance must be corrected, not for her approval, but for your own peace. A woman will always test change. She'll return to see if your strength was real or just a mask. Do not explain. Do not beg. Let your silence speak your evolution. When she reaches out, be calm, centered, brief. End the talk first. Leave space for curiosity. Power lies in quiet exits. Never wait for her. Never put your life on pause. When you wait, you hand her your power. When you move forward, you take it back. Let her see, or hear through the world, that you're becoming more. Not louder, not flashier. Just grounded, unshakable. A man walking forward needs no permission to rise. If she never unblocks you, and let her go. You were never meant to stay trapped in someone else's silence. Walk into your own. Silence isn't rejection. It's the forge of kings. Become the man who doesn't chase love. He attracts it by being whole. When she blocks you, life is telling you to unblock yourself. Stay calm, stay strong, stay stoic. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Silent Stoic to grow stronger and calmer every day.